Rachel, I cannot begin to describe to you how excited he was to tell me about you. I have never seen Jeremy this happy in my entire life. I don't think I've seen anyone make anyone as happy as you make Jeremy. You are truly the other half of Jeremy Brown.
Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smiled. I see you, boy. Oh, did you, boy? Yeah. I've been waiting my whole...
Rachel, words cannot even begin to express what you mean to me. I love you to bits and pieces. I know today I am your maid of honor, but truly I am honored every day to call you my sister and call you my best friend.
Find someone like you. Find someone like you.
I've always looked up to Jeremy. We've always talked. We've talked about anything where we're going on in life, our careers. And that is what Jeremy has always been to me. Someone who's always been there.
Baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone.
To Jeremy, I have to say thank you so much for bringing my sister so much love and comfort and happiness. After meeting you, I can tell she glows just a little bit brighter. I hope you enjoy growing old with Rachel as much as I've enjoyed growing up with her.
It's been so great seeing you come into his life, make him so confident, so loving, and I know everyone in this room cannot wait to see the beautiful life you guys built together.
You, Jeremy Eric Brown, and you, Rachel Elizabeth Halfon, are now husband and wife. Mazel tov!
I need you all to know how much love and intention that they put into making this evening not just a celebration of the two of them, but a celebration of everyone they love coming together tonight.
Jer, we have loved you since the first moment we met you. Don't go changing, cause we love you just the way you are.
To the new Mr. and Mrs. Brown, may love, happiness, health, and the force always be with you. Cheers.
I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you, yeah. I've been waiting.
You're two great kids. Have a wonderful life together. Be good to each other. So don't go changing. Kayam to life.
Wish you both a lifetime of coziness, joy, health, and family. To the happy couple.